Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to activate your Union Bank virtual credit card for 2025. If you've just received your virtual card details or are upgrading your account, this step-by-step guide will have you set up and shopping online in minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Union Bank mobile app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store, search for Union Bank, and download it for free. Once that's done, open the app and log in using your registered username and password. If you're a new user, you'll need to complete a quick verification process. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Next up, after logging in, navigate to the Cards or Credit Cards section. This is usually found on the home screen or in the main menu. Look for the option that says Virtual Credit Card or something similar. Tap on it and you'll see your card details. Now, to activate it, you'll need to verify your identity. The app might send you an OTP, one-time password, to your registered mobile number or email. Enter that promptly to proceed. Once verified, you'll be prompted to set up a PIN for your virtual card. Choose a strong, memorable PIN. Think numbers and letters for extra security. After that, confirm your settings, and voila! Your Union Bank virtual credit card is now activated and ready to use for online transactions, contactless payments, and more. A quick tip: always keep your app updated to the latest version for 2025 features, and enable notifications for transaction alerts to stay safe from fraud. If you run into any issues, check the app's help section or contact Union Bank's customer support. They're usually very responsive. There you have it, folks. Activating your Union Bank virtual credit card is easier than you thought. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay savvy.